Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm here with my ST1300 by Honda. And we as ST riders, we know what kind of horn is on this thing. It's kind of puny. So what I've done is I've bought, I confess, I bought a cheap China made version. But this horn is supposed to be loud. I got a set of two. Here, I'll hold it up here. 12 volts, 510 hertz. I don't know if this is going to be as loud as they say. I doubt it. However, it can't be any more puny than the stock horn on the ST1300. So we're going to try replacing it and leave it there. You got to remove the upper of the interfering here on the right side. You can leave the one on the left, and you can leave the lower. All right, so you got to remove that right upper interfering to access the horn. Here's the horn. That's a 1/4-inch drive socket with a 10mm socket on it, deep well. I'm going to pull that loose from that bracket. I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't matter. Still going to get rid of it. Alright, we'll take that off. Alright, I've taken this off of this bracket that was holding it. You can see the stay-cons there. There's one here. There's one in there also behind that bracket. We'll deal with that in a minute. We'll take these stay-cons off. Alright, I got the horn out. There's the horn number if you need it. Alright, I'm going to try to get that little bracket off of there. That little thing is tight. So, I'm going to use an impact. Alright, that little thing was screwed down in there. Took it out. And my bracket's got that big old freaking hole, so I don't know if I can use this. Let's find out. Alright, this is what the back of the horn looks like. So what I did was I put that big old round hole in that bracket down over this metal piece to help keep the bracket centered. Put a fender washer and a nut on that, and I had a nut just laying around that fit that. So mount it like that. It's going to go in there like this. I'll put the stay-cons on and then we'll test it. Alright, let me mount it and hook it up. Alright, I've got that thing mounted on that bracket. Clearly, that's not going to fit. So what I think I'll do is get rid of the bracket that I've got it mounted on. I think that main bracket's far enough up in there that I can mount that and it'll be high enough and out of the way of the interfering. Right now, it's all in the way. But let's give it a sound test just to check it. Alright, let me go get the key. Alright. Well, it ain't a train sound, but it's louder. Maybe I have it backwards. Let's flip the leads around and see what happens. Alright, leads are swapped. Same thing. Hey, it's still louder. We'll take it. I did mount it on that main bracket. I got it aimed forward. I'm not sure what my clearance issues are going to be, but I'm going to put the interfering on and see if it'll cover it up. All right, we'll do that. All right, the interfering did go back on, but you can see a little bit of a push right there. It is making contact with that, but not a lot. If I would have aimed it upward, it probably would have been better, but I don't know if the wires would have went down far enough to connect. Anyway, It's in there. Little contact. Not hurting anything. Fastened on just fine. Alright, there you go. That's the way I did it. Hit like, hit subscribe. Put your horn in your bike. Have a good day, everybody.